everyone. There is 1 week left until the beginning of Oshkosh, and I know everyone is super excited about that getting started. Unfortunately, I have some sad news, which is that Tyler and I are not going to be able to make it this year. We are still getting work done here at our house so that we can sell it. In fact, next week I actually have the roof getting replaced from some hail damage. So you will be having way more fun than I will next week. We're really sad to not be there and not get to see everybody and hang out with everyone and talk airplanes, but hopefully y'all understand. Unfortunately, sometimes real life comes first, but hopefully the next time I write you guys, it's that I'm in Atlanta and we've got a place and that the plane is back in the garage where we can finish working on it. But have a great time. I'm gonna try and share some of my old EAA Oshkosh videos that help anybody who's going for the first time or camping for the first time, and just share some of those for any of you first timers. And I hope everybody has a really great time. Be sure to let me know. I'd love to see pictures and everything and live vicariously through everyone else this year. But have a great, safe Oshkosh.